Moving on to digestive issues, a lot of people don't seem to thrive on a diet just of plant foods because their digestive systems maybe are sensitive to the different chemicals in plants. These can be natural chemicals like phytic acid, oxalates, salicylates, lectins, what else? Gluten, and even certain types of fiber. And they can also be unnatural chemicals like pesticides, which are sprayed on different plants to keep bugs away. These chemicals can irritate the gut lining and cause ulcers and leaky gut and heartburn. They can agitate the nervous system and cause spasms and diarrhea and constipation. You have to remember, plants don't want to be eaten. They want to continue living too. And because they're immobile and because they can't physically run away from a predator and they can't fight back, their way of defending themselves is chemical. And many of us are able to neutralize these anti-nutrients and chemicals just fine, but some of us are not. And like I said before, it comes down to genetic differences and also what our bodies have been through in the past. Antibiotics can weaken the digestive system, and so can different diseases like celiac disease and Crohn's, hypothyroidism, Lyme disease. But regardless of why your digestive system may be damaged right now, limiting the amount of plant foods and definitely choosing organic, pesticide-free plant foods can help you narrow down food sensitivities. And while you're taking a break from those foods for a while, it's important to get enough fat and protein and nutrients to rebuild that damage and kind of seal off the gut. And this is where a lot of people can find a lot of benefits from eating animal foods because, things like meat and eggs are rich in fat and protein and glycine and collagen and nutrients that heal the gut from the inside, and they lack those plant chemicals and fiber that can sometimes cause issues. So those are basically my thoughts on why a lot of people find they feel better when they include some animal products back into their diet. I've kind of been following these stories for a few months just quietly on YouTube, and it's definitely changed the way I think about whether or not a plant-based diet will work for everybody. It's gotten me digging a little deeper into the nutritional science and why this may be happening to some people. I think if there's, good information on this topic, it'll make our reactions and opinions more compassionate and understanding of, all these different ways that we can all achieve better health. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like a summary of what I've talked about, then I've written a blog post, which I've linked below. If you're interested in learning more about nutrient-rich eating, you can explore my websites, blog, meal plans, and free starter guide. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day ahead, great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.